Okay, so this is a super quick, on the whim type of video. So I was uploading the next episode on YouTube, and I found out that they just dropped the newest feature, which is automatic dubbing. Basically, my videos can be played now in so many languages as audio. So it's not just the titles or subtitles or the captions. It's actually audio in real time. So you can listen to it in Italian, in French, and other languages, which is amazing. And why I'm talking about it? Because 100% AI is behind this kind of innovation that YouTube is giving to all creators. And what this will do for someone like me, at least, and for so many others, is today I am a native Arabic speaker doing my content in English to be part of that bigger audience when it comes to technology. Now, in theory, in the future, if this gets really, really good, I can speak in my native Arabic language, and this will go to everyone in the world who's interested to watch my content. So this is supporting content creators in a way that never happened before. Today, for example, my videos are limited to people who speak English. Now, there's so many people I know, for example, Arabic speakers who are not that good in English, and they wouldn't have reached to my videos if it's only in English. Today, I think it's possible for them to start to enjoy the content in the language they prefer. For example, Arabic. Arabic, actually, I don't think it's there yet. It might come in the future. But this will open the door for so many people in so many languages that are out there today. So I thought this is super interesting, definitely linked to artificial intelligence, and nothing beyond just showing you how it sounds. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just play a video that I just released around the Llama 4 model that was dropped by Meta, and we listen to parts of it in different languages. And please, in the comment section, write me a comment about, if you're a native speaker of the language I play, write me a comment of how do you think the quality of the dubbing is. Now, it could be good, it could be not. I guarantee you at some point in the future, it's going to be so good where the actual video footage, so the lips will be moving in sync with the language that you select to a level probably you will not be able to tell if I am a native Italian speaker or not. Might not happen in next month, but this I assume will happen sometime in the future. It could be a year or two, but this is, I would say, definitely could happen as a feature in YouTube and being at that level of quality. So without any further ado, let's just start listening to me speak in different languages, I guess. So here you can see we have the settings button. You can click on it, and you have the audio track. Now it's English, which is the original, as you see, and you can see all of these languages now. So let's start with French, and let's see how I sound in French.
Le plus grand défi pour les personnes qui utilisent l'IA pour créer du code, c'est d'atteindre les limites du contexte, et le modèle commence alors à déraper. Je ne peux donc pas prédire son fonctionnement pour l'instant, mais c'est une expérience intéressante à explorer. Je sais que les personnes qui analysent le code de ces modèles.
Okay, let's try a couple of other languages. So you can see there's a lag, but I think it's better than nothing. So many people, and I'm one of them, I hate to read captions in other languages. Even in my language, I don't like captions. It distracts me from what I'm looking at. So this is definitely a better alternative, at least for some people who really want information. Maybe they will bear with the quality of the dubbing today to get that piece of information. Let me go to me in Hindi. Let's see Hindi.
वे निश्चित रूप से वहां जाएंगे और LMA के लिए इसका परीक्षण करेंगे। आइए संक्षेप में उनके मॉडल के बारे में हमारे साथ साझा की गई मुख्य बातों पर नजर डालते हैं। तो यहाँ वे कह रहे हैं कि उनके मॉडल अधिक लोगों को अधिक चीजें करने में सक्षम बनाएंगे और जाहिर है कि वे अपने मॉडल के लिए मल्टी मॉडल अनुभव पर प्रकाश डाल रहे हैं।
So I have many Indian friends who I'm sure will tell me if this was good or not. But I don't have many Italian friends or Japanese friends. Let's go with Japanese.
エクスペリエンスです。わかりました。ラマ4スカウトは16人のエキスパートを備えた170億のアクティブパラメーターモデルで、すでに読んだように、このクラスでは世界最高のマルチモ
That's interesting. I sound like an anime show. Okay, let's do one more. Can not do Portuguese. So 18 years in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I'll have to listen to myself speaking Portuguese for a second year.
Sua classe e é mais poderoso do que todas as gerações anteriores de modelos Llama, cabendo em uma única GPU NVIDIA H100. Além disso, o Llama 4 Scout oferece uma janela de contexto líder do setor de 10 milhões e fornece melhores resultados do que
So please write me in the comment section, how do you think it sounds? Is it something that's promising? Is it really good quality, or it's not that much? So this is a quick one that I told you. I hope you enjoyed it. And I thought this is definitely something I have to share with the audience or for the world out there on YouTube. So if you're one of the audience, please write me the comment I asked for about the quality. If you're new, well, feel free to engage with the community and write a comment. And hey, if you enjoyed the quick short video, like and subscribe. And again, if you're new, this is a channel all about AI and automation, so you might want to look around on my page and my previous videos. And with this, thank you for giving me those 5 minutes of your time, and goodbye.